Teachers use Microsoft Word every day, but there are simple tips that can make lesson planning, grading, and creating classroom materials much faster and more efficient. Today, we're sharing quick word tips specifically for teachers. Stick around until the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tutorials. First, take advantage of templates. Word has built-in templates for lesson plans, quizzes, worksheets, and newsletters. Starting with a template saves time on formatting and ensures that your documents look professional. You can also customize these templates to match your classroom needs, colors, and style. Next, use styles for headings, subheadings, and text formatting. This keeps your documents consistent and makes it easier to create tables of contents or navigate through long lesson plans. It's especially helpful for organizing multi-page teaching materials and reports. Teachers should also use the track changes and comments features when reviewing student work. Instead of manually marking corrections, these tools let you highlight mistakes, add suggestions, and provide feedback efficiently. Plus, it's easier for students to see your notes clearly. Another great tip is using tables and columns for organizing content. Whether it's creating seating charts, grade sheets, or handouts, tables and columns help keep information neat and readable. Pair this with the Quick Parts feature to save frequently used text, such as instructions, rubrics, or reminders, and you can insert them into any document in seconds. Finally, don't forget built-in proofreading tools. Word's editor, read aloud, and spell check features can help you prepare polished teaching materials quickly. These tools also save time when checking your own writing for clarity and grammar, ensuring everything you hand out to students is professional and error-free. By using these quick tips, teachers can make the most of Microsoft Word, stay organized, and save hours every week. If you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe for more teacher-friendly Word tutorials, and share this video with fellow educators. Thanks for watching.